Hi, I'm Connor with ZLINE Kitchen and Bath, and today we're going to show you how to install a panel on your DWMT dishwasher. Before installing your dishwasher, you'll need to attach the decorative door panel. Make sure you have all the required tools and hardware ready. You'll need a level, an impact driver or drill, a hex bit, a Phillips bit, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Start by placing your panel down on a soft, protected surface to prevent damage. Attach the supplied mounting hooks and brackets to the back of the panel in the specified locations. Moving to the top of the panel, you're going to install the next brackets at the innermost pre-drilled holes. Insert the screw into the bracket and line it up with the pre-drilled hole. Next, install the door handle according to your model specifications. Start by inserting the handle screw through the countersunk hole on the back of the panel. Tighten the handle securely, but be careful not to over-tighten to avoid damaging or warping the panel. Make sure the handle isn't loose and is tightened securely. Next, you're going to line the panel onto the dishwasher door, making sure that the circular top brackets line up with the key slots at the top and that the mounting hooks line up with these at the bottom. Once the panel is installed, check and make sure that it is aligned and flush with the door. Now that the panel is installed, you're going to open the door while supporting the door panel. Remove the pre-installed screws and replace them with the panel screws provided in the hardware kit. Repeat this process on the other side of the door using the two remaining screws. Next, we're checking the door tension setting by finding the natural resting point of the door. To do this, we're going to open the door with some force and see how it behaves. Now, if the door opens too much like this or too little, we'll need to adjust the door tension setting so that the auto door function works properly. To increase the door tension, raise the spring to a higher level. To decrease the door tension, lower the spring to a lower level. Once an adjustment has been made, retest the tension and make that adjustment to the other side. Now that we've made an adjustment to the door tension setting, we're going to check again for that natural resting point. Now the opening here is going to be just enough to allow steam to escape without the door opening all the way and becoming a hazard. That's the complete panel installation process for the DWMT dishwasher. If you have any issues, please feel free to reach out to ZLINE Kitchen and Bath. Once again, I'm Connor. You have a great day.